Hey Roblox fans, want to unlock voice chat and talk with your friends directly in-game? In this video, I'll walk you through how to get voice chat on Roblox step by step. Let's go. First, make sure your Roblox account is 13 years or older. Roblox voice chat is only available for users who have verified their age. If you haven't done this, head to your Roblox settings with this link you will find in description, or you can do manually, click the account info tab, and look for the age verification section. You'll need to upload a photo of your ID and a selfie to confirm your identity. This is secure and only used to verify your age. Once your age is verified, go back to settings, then click on the privacy tab. Scroll down to the beta features section and look for voice chat. Toggle it on, you might get a pop-up asking for mic permissions, make sure to allow it. In the game, you'll see a microphone icon above players' heads. That means voice chat is active, and that's it. You're now ready to chat with your friends in Roblox using voice. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and guides. See you in-game.